The next phrase that I'm going to share with you is breakout performance. And with the help of example, you will understand the meaning of this particular phrase that can be used when you are speaking in English. In the conversational English, you can frequently use these phrases. Example, Timothy Chalamet's breakout performance in Call Me By Your Name helped establish him as a rising star in Hollywood. The next phrase is Oscar bait. Now, let's see the example to understand the meaning. The King's Speech is often cited as an example of Oscar bait with its historical setting and powerhouse performances from Colin Firth and Geoffrey Rush. So, Oscar bait is something, a movie or some documentary or piece of art which can be, selected for the Oscar Awards. The next one is blockbuster, which is a common one. Jurassic Park was a blockbuster hit in the 1990s, breaking box office records and spawning multiple sequels. So blockbuster is a super, super duper hit. The next phrase is jump the shark. Let's see the example. Happy Days famously jumped the shark in its fifth season when Fonzie jumped over a shark while water skiing. Okay, so the next phrase is sleeper hit. Let's see the example. Get Out was a sleeper hit in 2017, gaining widespread praise and earning over $255 million at the box office. Okay, next phrase is genre blending, we can call it. The right pronunciation is genre. Stranger Things is a genre bending television show that combine horror, science fiction, and coming of age drama. So it's kind of genre bending because it is a new combination of all these aspects. So it was different from the rest of them. The next is the list of idioms that I'm going to share with you. So let's see these amazing and wonderful idioms. The show must go on. It is a very frequent idiom used in the TV fraternity or the movie community. So the meaning is an expression used to convey the idea that no matter what happens, the performance or production must continue. Example, despite technical difficulties and cast member falling ill, the show must go on and the play was performed to great success. The next idiom is on the cutting room floor. What does this idiom mean? A phrase used to describe scenes or footage that were filmed but ultimately not included in the final product. So the example be like some of the best performances ended up on the cutting room floor as the director had to make tough decisions about what to include in the final cut of the film. The next idiom is all the words is a stage. A quote from Shakespeare, as you like it, that suggests that life is like a play and we all are actors in it. So let's see the example. All the words a stage and all the men and women merely players is a famous line from the play reflecting on the idea that our lives are like a performance that must navigate. The next idiom is hit the big time, which means an expression used to describe someone who achieves great success, especially in the entertainment industry. Example, after years of struggling to make it as an actor, she finally hit the big time and landed a leading role in a blockbuster film. The next idiom is Hollywood ending, which means a phrase used to describe a conclusion to a story that is overtly sentimental or unrealistic, often involving a happy or satisfying resolution. Example, the romantic comedy had a predictable Hollywood ending with the couple reconciling and getting back together in the final scene. The next idiom is behind the scenes, which means a phrase used to describe the work that goes into making a production, often referencing the backstage area of a theater or studio. So there are a lot of things happening behind the scenes while we shot for movies or television. So let's see the example. The documentary gave a fascinating look behind the scenes of the making of the movie, showcasing the hard work and creativity of the cast and the crew.